Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon. Say hi to the camera, my friend.
Hello.
Alright, so I'm here with a student. I'm at a Broward County, Florida location. For all of the people that doesn't know where Broward County is, it's closer to Miami. So if you're in Tampa, Orlando, Jacksonville, wherever you are, just know I am closer to Miami. So I'm not going to be able to give you service. I get calls like that all the time, so I have to say that. Alright, so I'm asking you guys before I get into the video to subscribe to my other YouTube channels. That would be Sequence Sound. If you're into reggae, dancehall, sound system, check out my channel, Sequence Sound. If you're into cars, check out the Exotic Car Culture, that's my car channel. I have the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes on the website. That is accdriverseducation.com. Again, that is accdriverseducation.com. If you need a third-party driving test, if you're trying to find an appointment at the DMV and you're having a problem finding one, and you want to do it at the third party, just give me a call at 954-588-8075. Again, if you need driving lessons or the driving test, that would be 954-588-8075. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, so they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn the steering wheel directly from the curb.
You say left?
Left away from the curb.
What else do you do?
Then you put the vehicle in park. You pull the handbrake up, and then you turn the ignition off.
Okay, cool. Alright, so they're going to ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Okay, so they're checking the brake lights, the turn signal lights, the horn. Right? They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. Right? So you got to make sure all those things are working before you come to the DMV. Now they're going to ask you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. All the way left until it stops. And they're going to be checking your left front tire. Turn all the way to the right. Again, they're going to be checking your right front tire. Straighten the wheel. So that's 2 times to the middle. Remember we just talked about that. That's 3. Go back to the right there. 2 times to the middle.
2 times, 1 time.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're gonna check the tire, make sure the tires are good, and by the time they're done checking that, if you notice just now, we had to straighten back the wheel. Even if they don't tell you to straighten the wheel, some examiners will tell you to straighten the wheel just to be nice. Some of them will just come into the car, and if you reverse with the wheel turn all the way right or left, you're probably going to hit the car next to you and fail your test. So before you move the car, make sure you straighten the steering wheel. Alright, so now we're going to reverse and we're going to go to the left. They'll come into the car, they'll say reverse and go to the left. So let's do it. So you look behind you and you roll back until your mirror is past the end of the parking lot line like that. Don't go too fast, just roll slowly. When you pass a line like that, then you stop, turn the car all the way right, all the way to the right, and then look behind you and continue to reverse. Okay, that's good enough. Stop. Put it in drive again. We're gonna go down to the area where they're gonna have you do the 3-point turn and all that. So make sure you turn so you don't go into the parking space. Alright, we're gonna pull down next to the grass on the right side here, just like we practiced before. Go closer. Go like a foot from the right side, like I said. Like about right here. You're too close to the right, too close to the right. Go to the left a little bit. Left, that way. Go up a little bit more. Alright, speed up to 20 and then do a sudden stop. Make sure you straighten it. Speed up. Street is here. Speed up. And stop. Okay? Now they're going to ask you to reverse in a straight line. So make sure the wheel is straight. Look behind you and roll straight back. Put it in reverse. Look behind and roll straight back. Make sure it's straight. And go straight back. Okay, that's good enough. Stop. Okay, put the car in drive. We're gonna do the 3-point turn. So signal left, turn all the way left. And we're gonna go forward and stop before you go into the parking space over there. Gently on the gas. And stop about there. Put it back in reverse. All the way right. All the way until it stops. And then look over your left shoulder in reverse. When the mirror is past the middle of the line, you see the end of the line over there. You see the end of the white line over there. When the mirror is past that, that's when you would stop. So back up a little bit more. Stop like right there. Cool. Put it back in drive. Signal left again. Turn left. So that's your 3-point turn. And we're gonna go to the stop sign right here and make a left turn. Complete stop right here. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, make it right. Alright, we're gonna make the right turn by this big tree right here. Alright, we're gonna park in between these cones. So signal left. And you're gonna come up, you're gonna line up your mirror with the cone. So go forward. Forward a little bit more, right there. Signal left, turn all the way left. And then just release the brake. Roll in. When you get to the middle of the space, then you just straighten up and just pull straight in. Okay, pull straight in. And that is good. Alright, put the car back in reverse. We're gonna roll straight out, straighten the wheel, roll straight out. Keep it straight. It was straight.
It was
right,
straight.
right there. Yeah. So just roll straight back. And again, as soon as your mirror is past the cone, turn all the way left. Right there. Turn all the way left. We're still gonna be practicing again. She's testing tomorrow, so we're still practicing. Okay. Go back a little bit more. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow, so she's gonna be 100 tomorrow. But enjoy.
Better be.
You will be. We're gonna make sure we stop at this stop sign. So as soon as you back out of the parking space, for the people that know this driving test, they will know where I'm at. As soon as you come out of the parking space, there's a stop sign right there. Make sure you come to a complete stop. Signal left and go ahead and make it left. This is the one DMV that they actually take you out on the road. And then we're gonna make a right turn. So you see these yellow lines here, the same thing like out there where you're trying to avoid them. You just kind of go around them. Don't drive over them. You know what I'm saying?
Got it.
Yeah. Alright. We're gonna come to a complete stop at the line, and then we're gonna creep out to make sure it's clear. All right, go ahead, creep out. Up some more. Alright, so you see there's traffic, so we have to wait for the traffic. Okay, after that one car back up there, then you pull out. So you make sure you go out and then come back into the lane. And we're making the right turn at the light. So they take you on the road, but literally it's for like a minute. Like no more than a minute. Unless you have to stop at the stop sign. Like now the light's green, just go ahead and make your right turn. If the light is red, you will stop and make sure it's clear. If it's green, you just go ahead and make it right. Alright, signal right, make a right turn. Back into the plaza. Slow down. Alright, make Make sure you come to a complete stop at this stop sign. And you count 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make it right. Alright, we're going to make the right turn again at the stop sign. Okay, stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, pull straight in. Park. So what do you think?
Nerve-wracking. Nerve-wracking.
Nerve-wracking because you got more nervous with the camera on.
Yeah.
You were doing better without the camera. I saw that. But that's cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it again in the morning. Mm-hmm. We're gonna practice for another hour and a half in the morning. So you're gonna be perfect. But yeah, she's doing good. She'll pass the test in the morning. So again, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my other 2 YouTube channels, Sequence Sound and Exotic Car Culture. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I don't know what to tell you, but I would ask you please to do so.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, this channel is here to help everybody. Just go ahead and subscribe.
You are correct.
Exactly. I'm doing it for free for everyone for years. So all I need from you is just a subscription. Alright, and I remember the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes are on the website accdriverseducation.com. The third-party driving tests and driving lessons, you call 954-588-8075. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye.